In this video, I'll show you how to make a crochet twist top. It has an adjustable lace-up back, it's really simple to make, and it's perfect for the summer. The top is made up of two rectangular panel pieces. To begin the first panel piece, create a slip knot. Then, using a 4mm hook, chain 35. To do this, insert your hook into the slip knot and pull it tight. Then yarn over and pull through. That is your first chain. Repeat this till you have a total of 35. This will be the height of your top. If you would like your top to be longer, you can chain more. Just ensure that it has an odd number of stitches when you stop. Once you finish the chain, turn your work 90 degrees. Now insert your hook into the second stitch from your hook. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the two loops. That is your first single crochet. Now create a double crochet by yarning over, then inserting your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through two of the loops on the hook, and then yarn over and pull through the remaining two. Repeat this single crochet and double crochet till the end. So create another single crochet, and then create a double crochet. This repeated pattern of single crochets and double crochets work well together to create a really nice texture. This stitch is called the lemon peel stitch. It resembles the skin of a lemon. Once you've reached the end of the row, chain 1 and then turn your work. Now repeat the single and double crochets till the end of the row. This will be the second row. In total, we should create around 40 rows. However, if you would like, you can make the top smaller or larger by simply reducing or increasing the number of rows you do. This top does have an adjustable back, so the size will be variable there and can be adjusted even if you do 40 rows. Once you've finished the panel, we're going to work on the lace-up back. So start off by single crocheting 3. So just insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through again. After the 3 single crochets, chain 1, then skip the next stitch and insert your hook into the second stitch from your hook. Then single crochet. Now single crochet another 2 so you have a total of 3. This creates a hole that you can use to lace up the top. After you finish single crocheting 3, repeat this again by chaining 1, skip 1 stitch and insert your hook into the next stitch. Then single crochet 3. Repeat this till the end of the row. Once you've reached the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just single crochet all along this row. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and then insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. To make this top, you need 2 panels, so repeat the previous step so that you have a second panel. Now fold your panel in half. Make sure this is not the side that has the lace up. Mark the centre using a safety pin or a stitch marker. Repeat this for the second panel as well. Now, line up the edge of one of your panels with the centre of your second panel. Make sure your pieces are right sides together. Now, taking the back panel, fold it forwards to sandwich the second panel in between the 2 layers. Then fold the edge of the panel in the middle backwards to sandwich the second panel. It should look something like this. Make sure all the edges are lined up nicely. Then pin it together so that the pieces don't move around. Using a darning needle, sew these pieces together. So tie a knot in the end and thread your needle through all 4 layers of the pieces. Go slow and try to make your stitches even. Here I'm using a blanket stitch. When you open up the top, it should look something like this. Now make the tie to lace up the back. Start off with a slip knot and chain however many stitches needed to reach a length of approximately 100 centimeters. So insert your 4mm hook into the slip knot and pull it tight. Yarn over and pull through. Repeat this till it's reached 100 centimeters. If you would like the rope to be a bit longer, you can chain some more. Now use the tie to lace up the back. Try on the top and mark the positioning of the straps using stitch markers or safety pins. Do the same on the back. Now to start the straps, create a slip knot. Insert your 4mm hook into one stitch before your stitch marker. Then insert it into the slip knot, pull tight and pull it through. This is to join your wool to your top. Yarn over and pull through. This finishes the join. Now single crochet 3. If you would like your straps to be wider, you can single crochet 4 or 5. Once you finish the 3 single crochets, chain 1. And then turn your work. Repeat the 3 single crochets. The strap is carried on like this. Single crochet 3, chain 1 to turn, and then single crochet 3 again. Repeat this until it reaches a length that fits you. Once it's reached the desired length, we're going to attach it to the back of the top. Make sure the strap is not twisted, and place your strap right sides together to the back of the top. Line it up with your stitch marker. Then insert your hook into one stitch before your stitch marker, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again, and that finishes your first single crochet. Remove your stitch marker and carry on using single crochets to attach your strap to the back of the top. Once you finish attaching it, cut the wool and pull through. Then using a darning needle, weave in the end. Now cut off the excess. This makes sure that the end is secure and is not to be seen. Once you finish this strap, repeat the same thing on the other side. And your top is done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I would love to read a comment. Thank you for watching.